Hello, my name is Martin Gillespie from Hawker Richardson. Today we're going to do another demonstration of our Cleco CellCore cordless tools. This one here being the angle wrench. It can achieve a torque up to 50 Newton meters, has an inbuilt torque transducer and angle encoder for advanced error proofing. So I'm just going to reverse these two nuts down. Now this one here has a spring washer. This one here just has a flat washer. So what we're going to try and determine is that on this rundown we get an OK signal. This rundown without the spring washer we get a fail. Okay, so there we have it. We have a torque reading of 6.06 Newton meters and an angle of 164 degrees. The torque is programmed to 6 Newton meters. So we'll run down here. This is the one without the spring washer, so we should get an error signal here. And yes, we've got an error signal. It's 22 degrees of angle, so it's getting an error of below minimum angle. What we're demonstrating there is that even if the gun achieves the torque rating that we've set it at, doesn't necessarily mean it's a correct rundown. So we've proven that. And there we have it, the Cleco CellCore battery tools.